Welcome to ELA for the week of October 3rd through the 7th. If you're here just to collect your password or your code word, the code word is flower. For your scavenger hunt on Monday and the quiz, the code word is flower. Remember that if you need any support in finding your materials or understanding what to do for the week, the student support videos are the way to go. All right, now on to the regular student support video. On the class announcements, it asks you to go to 3.04. This section is called Preparing to Write an Essay. That's what we're going to work on each week. You have an additional task on Monday, which is a scavenger hunt called Finding Your Materials. So let's get going. Let's start by clicking the Content tab to find 3.04, where all your materials are located for the entire week. When you scroll down on the left-hand side, you will see Unit 3, followed by 3.04. When you click on it, it will show you the entire information on the right-hand side here. So the first up is Review, Finding Your Materials. Please read through the importance of accessing your materials and using ClassKick here, and complete the scavenger hunt in ClassKick before you take this one attempt quiz. If you don't like your quiz score, you will need to email me and tell me that you've completed your ClassKick study guide in order to earn points on this quiz. This quiz is just a reminder on how to find all your materials. If you're good at this, it should be really simple and you can move on. All right, for the rest of you, I just want to make sure you know how important it is you're accessing your materials. So the ClassKick login is here, and the reminder up here says ClassKick login is your school email, and the password is WAVA. So let me show you how to log in to ClassKick. Go ahead and click Student. It's going to ask you for a code. You do not have a code to log into ClassKick. Instead, I want you to use the login button, your school email, and then the password is WAVA. Then you're going to go to your ELA class. You're going to find your 2 ClassKick study guides for this week. This is your normal one that you should complete Monday through Friday. And this one is called Review, Finding Your Materials. And it's just a scavenger hunt, and it looks like this. I just ask you to find the code word listed in certain places within your class content. Okay? One of them is in this support video, and you know now that it's flower, so you would write flower right here. To write in ClassKick, just hit the text box and write flower, and say you wanted to change the size. You could highlight it and make it smaller or make it bigger. And it will just automatically save. You could also move it around and change the size of this text box. Okay? All right. So please complete that before you take the Monday quiz. Let's see. It asks you to find code words listed in the announcement, and then in the Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday section of your ClassKicks, of your content, as well as ClassKick. Here's the code word for ClassKick, so you would write salad right here. Salad, okay? And that will show up on your quiz as a question. And then you would need to go back to the Monday section to find the word couch, the Wednesday section to find the code word, and then there's another one on Thursday, in addition to the one you found in ClassKick and in this video. On Thursday, you have a quiz. Please don't take the quiz until you've attended your live session Thursday and have completed your ClassKick study guide. Have a fantastic day, and thanks for watching. Bye.